In this video, you'll learn how to group pages in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to organize your Notion workspace more effectively by grouping related pages together. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Enter Notion in the address bar and press enter on your keyboard. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage with options to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. After signing in, you will be directed to your Notion workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen, which displays your pages and databases. To begin grouping pages, click on the title of the main page where you want to organize your content. This action will open the selected page in the main viewing area. Once you are on the main page, you can create a new grouping. To do this, look for the area labeled Type in Main Page, where you can add content. Here, you can decide what kind of content or structure you want for your grouped pages. Consider how you would like to arrange them for easy access. Next, choose the first page you wish to group. Locate the page in the sidebar that you want to move. Click on the page title to select it. After selecting the page, you should see it highlighted, indicating it is ready for the next action. This visual confirmation is important to ensure you are grouping the correct page. Now, drag the selected page to the main page you opened earlier. Click and hold the selected page, then move your cursor towards the main page area. As you drag, you will notice a visual cue indicating where the page will be placed once you release the mouse button. Release the mouse button to drop the page into the main page. You can repeat this process to group additional pages together. Select another page from the sidebar and drag it to the main page as you did previously. This allows you to create a structured hierarchy. If you want to create a new page within the group structure, click on the New Page button, typically located at the bottom of your sidebar. This action will create a new blank page where you can add content relevant to your grouped pages. Once created, you can open this new page to view or edit its contents. After grouping your pages and creating new ones, you can easily navigate back to your main page. Click on the main page title in the sidebar. This will allow you to view all the grouped pages you have organized. You should see all the pages listed under your main page, providing a clear and organized structure. And there you have it. You have successfully grouped pages in Notion, making your workspace more efficient and organized. Thanks for watching and see you soon.